is not just technology being demonstrated, but actually getting to commercial operation with a lot of the technology. Agtonomy is a software and service company that brings physical AI to original equipment manufacturers to help their smart equipment become super smart and fully autonomous. So Agtonomy is, like on this Kubota tractor, Agtonomy-Enabled. It's not an aftermarket kit. It's actually integrated by the manufacturer at their factories. It's not just about autonomy and going from point A to point B, but also working with the implement companies and making sure that the implements can be controlled properly so that the work is done properly. That's really what the growers care about the most. So we work not only with tractor manufacturers, but also with implement companies and making sure that everything works well together. To get adoption of ag tech, you really need distribution networks, you need dealer support, you need parts and service, because this equipment is for the livelihood of all of us growers and our operations. And so by working with the Bobcats and Kubotas and other global equipment manufacturers, that is, in my opinion, the only way to really scale and get adoption of this technology to growers globally.